Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom, and in this session we will understand the requirement of jobs in which designation is the assistant manager of the logistic. Okay, so you can see on the screen here they mention some requirement and package and experience and job location. So we will try to understand this job responsibility with this help of this session, which is the part of the module of assistant manager logistic jobs. Okay, so this particular module is divided in two sessions, which first we are completing in this session and next in the next part. Okay, so guys, try to understand the working procedures which is important for the designation and job role and responsibility for the assistant managers, okay, for the logistic. So if you see on the screen, some detail are mentioned here. Okay, so maintaining all export order of various international client. Okay, so try to understand and think like if you are the assigning this job, and in this company you receive the order from various international clients. Okay, various, it's not only the one country but various countries. You will receive the export order and you have to execute and maintain this order. So earlier, if you have seen my videos, you can understand how you can maintain the order. Maintaining order is nothing but just once any international buyer send a order, then you have to inform your packing team and production team and packing team, and then you have to follow with your movement shipping companies, or you can say transporter and CHS. So in this particular job responsibility, in this particular job responsibility, you have to maintain the all export order. So if you are the person who are in sales team, will directly contact with the international client, and they will provide you the sales orders. Okay, sales orders prepared in the SAP. So once the sales team receive order, they prepare the sales service order, then the requirement of customer will reflect in SAP, and SAP is integrated with the production team. Production team will make ready goods for the particular order. Okay, and also the packing team integrated with this SAP, and they will pack the goods, okay, as per timeline. Now, export of the documents, documentation of the export. Okay, so in previous session, you have, if you have seen my videos, you aware with the export documentation, how I explain the export documentation are the two types. First, the pre-shipment document, and second, the post-shipment document. The pre-shipment document is which we need to prepare in prior before the shipment sell, and post-shipment document which we need to prepare after the shipment sell or SOP. So pre and post document are very important. Pre-shipment document used for the custom purpose, and post-shipment document needs for the export payment. So which this document we need to submit in the bank. Okay, now arrange the document for clearance about the export shipment. Okay, here you need to arrange the document for custom clearance about export shipment. So whatever you are dispatching the goods from your factory, you have to prepare the set of document which is as per custom. Okay, whatever customs documents required by the, just like any basic document need by the custom is commercial invoice, packing list, okay, tax invoice, annexures, in which this is the annexure is the custom format which you have to fill the details as per commercial invoice, okay. And then you have to prepare this e-way bill also, checklist, which the sheet you have filed in EDI, okay. This thing you need to be share with uh, driver of the containers, then the shipment will move. So you have to arrange this document, okay. Now prepare daily status report of import and export. If you see my daily DSR and DSR videos, you will find out how you can prepare the DSR in most effective way. Uh, okay, so in that you know that how you can prepare the DSR. Just like any order you receive, then you need to mention the DSR, the order number for the location of the unit, and we can say the product name, HSN code, value of the goods, container number. Okay, this and the movement of goods from factory, matlab, how and was on which date you have dispatched the goods. Okay, and now and then custom clearance date and shipment sale date and the port of discharge date, then final destination date and POD. So these things need to be maintain the DSR. So the candidate who are willing to work for this job profile have a must experience in this preparing daily status report, okay, for both import and export, okay. Now shipment and tracking movement, okay, tracking movement on the daily basis. Here tracking movement the daily basis. So you have to track the shipment on daily basis. For example, you are in case of import, the container are on the way, then you have to track the containers status, okay. Otherwise the container will reach in the Indian territory, and if you are not filed the bill of entry, then custom will finalize you for that fine and penalty you have to pay for that. So the tracking of the movements of daily basis is very important part of the this job, okay. Now custom duty calculation and handling advanced license documentations. So custom duty calculation is that the particular talking about that import activities. So in import case, the custom duties totally depend on the HS code. Okay, so whatever the HS code of the product, the custom will apply the basic custom duty, which is 10 to 15% or more than it. But basic custom duty, then 10% of the basic custom duty is the SWA charges. Then IGST apply 18%, which is 18% of the basic custom duty, SWS and accessible value. So the duty structure also um, need to be uh, uh, duty and structure knowledge also required for this particular profile, okay. Now handling advanced license documentation. So when you are filing the bill of entry and you are importing the raw material for the manufacturing, and the final good will be export. So in such case government will provide the service of the duty free, okay, duty free. So advanced license activity also be need to be handled for the job. So what you have to do, once you import the goods, you just inform your SCHA that we are importing this good under the license. So they will insert the license number in the bill of entry, and the duty will be free, okay. So guys, in this session we have completed the first part of this job responsibility, okay. And then this module of this is the first session of this module, and we will cover the next session, balance job role responsibilities. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.